Hello, trading is closed on June 17th, 2015. We had a few mejt target prices from yesterday's trade. One was 2093.51 that printed, and there was minor resistance under it. A different price was 2089.57 that printed, and there was strong support. I should have said support here. Support under it. We still have a price of 2083.25. Ultimately, it should print. I personally don't think we'll have to wait long. During the day, mejt said that this rally is a false move and it gives us a new target of 2093, make that 2090.93, most likely to print tomorrow. Well, we have a familiar pattern of a gap up, a higher high, but the close was unable to hold on to any of these prior highs. That is not a positive pattern unless we have a gap over today's high. We also have an unclear daily pattern, but I believe it's the one that typically starts out low and closes near the high of the day. When it can't close over the early morning high, it's also negative unless we gap over today's high. What are the chances that we're going to gap over today's high? Well, we have lower mejt targets, and we also have strong resistance right at the high. Here's the triangle we've shown previously, and we topped right at the return to that lower trend line. I think it's pretty unlikely that we gap over it. We do have a diamond on stilts pattern. Here's the left stilt. Here's a diamond that's pretty obvious. I think it's far more likely that we have a gap down, a stilt-like move down at tomorrow's open. It's not required, but it happens often. We also have another target of 2080.71 being undercut. This is because of the Fed whipsaw. Typically it goes in three legs. Here's the first leg. The second leg is longer, as measured from the origin of the Fed announcement. And the third leg down should be in the same direction as the first and longer than the rally over the announcement. So that gives us a price target of undercutting 2080.71. So the call for tomorrow is sharply lower prices, ideally starting with a gap down. And that is today's call.